Namaskar and welcome to Governance at Work at IIPA. I'm Rakhi Bakshi. We are today talking about Special Campaign 5.0 and the whole idea and vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is that the values of cleanliness, accountability, transparency should be reinforced. And the whole idea of cleanliness should not only mean physical doing away with things, but also embedding a whole culture and ethos of cleanliness within the offices and creating a governance infrastructure which is embedded in ethics and good ideas. So we are going to talk about it in this very insightful conversation that we are going to bring to you right now. And the special guest in the studio today to talk about is Mr. Satyajit Mishra. He is the Joint Secretary in Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. Sir, very welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone.
So talking about the emphasis, as I said, the whole idea is here to how to embed that culture of cleanliness within offices, within the governance structure. What would you say, sir?
The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, right from the Special Campaign 1.0, right down to the present Special Campaign 5, we have been institutionalizing Swachhata as is one of the major goals. And also, we have been clearing the dependencies of the various parameters which have been given with a lot of emphasis on, achieving all the targets that we set for ourselves. Further, the two major focus areas this year, Special Campaign 5.0, is the scientific management of e-waste and also the National Plastic Pollution Reduction Campaign, where what we have done is that we have circulated e-waste management guidelines. We have a list of registered e-recyclers. The NPPRC guidelines have also been circulated. There's a format where all offices, we have got around 132 offices all over the country. And all of these campaign sites mostly have started off on their journey of special campaign this time. We have achieved around, I think, around 89% of the campaign sites which have been, so it's around 115 to 122. By today evening, it should be 122.
So the whole idea here is resource optimization and also environmental responsibility. So I think within your department and ministry, there is a lot that is being done also.
Yes. So we have been emphasizing this, ban of single-use plastic across. We have already implemented it, and now we are pushing it across all departments of the Government of India with the aid of assistance of the help of DRPG. We have in our own ministries, we have placed e-waste bins where people can go and deposit their e-waste.
Okay.
We have also that dry and wet waste on each floor. We have given these bins so that proper disposal of things can take place. We have put scanners and file printers and shredders. So all those things should be disposed of in a scientific manner. And because e-waste is something obsolete and unserviceable items as well as e-waste, we have this time we have done e-auction. We are going to do e-auction. So that's a thing.
Because generally people think once you do away with something, what do you do next?
Correct.
So e-auction is the next step.
I think that is a very important step. So what we have done, we have hired the Metal Scrap Trading Corporation. That's a PSU under the Ministry of Steel. So that we have hired, and we have made a condition that they should, after they take up these unserviceable and e-waste items, they should dispose of with those registered e-recyclers. So we'll ensure that whatever is done in a scientific and proper manner, so that the objectives of Special Campaign 5.0 are satisfied. We have also, some 3 cars were condemned during this period itself, and we have sold that off. We have earned a little bit of revenue from that. So that is also one of the small, success stories of our.
Because some of the elements that it looks at is scrap disposal, record management, weeding out of a certain material which is not needed. So all that is being done.
So this is one part of it. Now, what we have also done is, as in the previous years, we have put a very special emphasis on record management, as Secretary ARPG has also been, very repeatedly emphasizing. So what we have done is around, we have identified our targets across all 132 offices, and now we are almost close to achieving. So we have around 83% we have done is the weeding out. So around 2,100 files we have weeded out, we have destroyed. By following the record retention schedule under the Public Records Act. We have followed due diligence and all that. Also, the e-files are a very special emphasis, and This has been monitored at the highest level, at the level of Honorable Minister and Secretary, sir, also. So e-files are now been closed. So we have closed around 2,900 e-files, and we are on target to achieve our target. So I think besides this, we have, I think out of 132, we have covered around 122. We have in PG, public grievances, which is a very important matter.
I was coming to that because DRPG is the nodal
yes, so it is there.
department here.
So we have got, again, special emphasis, again been monitored at the highest level. So the public grievances, around 90% we have disposed of our targets. And another thing is the PG appeals. It is one of that in the dashboard of ARPG. Around 91% we have disposed of. PMO references, we have disposed 100% as of today. VIP references, we have produced around 69%.
Okay.
So all these figures are as of today. So we are progressing, I think, and we should be able to achieve all our, identified targets among the parameters, which is one of the big objectives of
this whole special campaign. But talking about some of the success stories, the best practices, some innovative techniques, what would you say, sir, what is being done?
There is no specific success stories about Secy. However, I can say with some amount of years that in the last 4 years, this is the 5th year, last 4 years we earned around 2.23 crores of money, around 97,000.
That's success.
Yeah, that's I think the substantial, because although our thing is spread out all over India, imprint is there all over India, we have got smaller offices, unlike, let us say, posts or defense or railways. So in our own modest way and low profile manner, I think we are achieving all our targets. We are doing it in a very, very serious manner, very committed manner. And we are having around 83 tweets have been uploaded on the SCDPM portal, the Special Campaign Disposal of Pending Matters portal. So in all the parameters which ARPG has identified, I think we are doing fairly well. And we hope to maintain this consistency so that we finish well ahead of time.
So the whole idea is to how to create this whole culture of cleanliness within offices and even outside, involving communities, citizens. So anything that you'd like to share there?
I mean, we practice what we preach. So in our office, all single-use plastic is banned. We are trying to, in our flex and our advertisement things, we are using jute and jute materials. And so we are also trying to, integrate with Mission Life, which is one of the big things of Honorable PM. So all those things which are part of Mission Life, so this e-waste thing is also will be uploaded on the Mary Life portal. So that will be integrated with that. So all the success, what we have in our offices will be integrated with the Mary Life portal also. And as and when we get from other ministries with the assistance of ARPG, we'll also be uploading. And we have given that link also to everyone, to all the different organizations of the Government of India.
Because as this special campaign 5.0 means is that it's not only about Swachhata in its sense only, but also the whole larger and broader framework of administrative ethos.
Yes.
So any thought on that, sir?
In the sense that I would believe that, Swachhata begins with very small steps and in a detailed manner. So all these things which ARPG has involved, including public grievances and RTI and other things, all of them, parliament assurances, all of them are outreach to the common man. So that, I think, if we fulfill all the targets that we have set for ourselves in a very proper manner, I think we should be fulfilling the larger objectives.
Any message lastly?
Message in the sense, please follow all the objectives which ARPG is also promoting and we are also promoting, including e-waste and the National Plastic Pollution Reduction Campaign. Please fill up all the proformas properly and send it to us so that it's on record and proper documentation is done.
That was a lot of meaningful information, and of course for us it's a very insightful conversation with a lot of perspectives coming in here from your department and ministry. So thank you so much for joining us here.
You.
And a lot of these insights and a lot of these perspectives would be shared in further interviews also, as we are talking about the progress and evolution of Special Campaign 5.0. It was started on 2nd of October, but the journey is still on. So thank you for watching us here, and namaskar.